Hi everybody, today's lesson, this is the fourth lesson and it's going to be on possessive, how to make a word possessive, like if you wanted to say my book or my ball or your book, your ball, things like that. How would you say it in Arabic and how would you write it? So let's get right into it. We're going to be working with two words today. You might know these, you might not. Kitab and Kura. Kitab means book. Kura means ball. This is Kura, Kitab. And this right here signifies that it's an E. Kitab. If there was a, this is called a kasra, it makes an E sound. Kitab. If there was a fatha right here, a same kind of mark, but on top, it would make an A sound. So that it would be katab instead of kitab. So, kitab and kura. On this you have a dhamma. Dhamma. It makes an oo sound. Kura. So there's three, they call them short vowels. There's three short vowels in Arabic. You have the fatha, which is the one on top, makes an A sound. The kasra, which is the one on the bottom, it makes an I sound. And you have dhamma, which is the one on top, which makes an oo sound. So this is kitab and kura. Now, if you wanted to say my book, you would say kitab, kitabi, kitabi. You just add a ya at the end, kitabi. And to say my ball, you would say kurati. And you might be wondering, what is the deal with the ta? Because when you say kura, there's no ta sound in there. But whenever you change it to possessive, this ta marbuta becomes a ta. So it changes into kurati. It kind of unties and becomes just a regular ta. So when you say the word alone, it's just pronounced kura. But when you put a possessive pronoun at the end, it's pronounced like you pronounce the T. So that's kitabi, my book, and kurati, my ball. Next, we're going to do your book, kitab buka, kitabuka. You just add a kaf at the end, and that's kitabuka. That makes the sound at the end, and that's for masculine you. So that's your book. If you want to do feminine you, like your book, but for talking about a female, it's kitabuki. So kitabuka, kitabuki. And if you want to say like it's the book that belongs to more than one person, like if you want to say you plural, it's kitabukum. Kitabukum. You put a kaf and a meme, kum. And if you were doing this for kura, it would be kuratuka, kuratuka, kuratuki. Remember, you have to put the ta in there. Kuratukum, kuratukum. Your ball, plural, kuratukum. What else we got? We have his. Let's start doing kura again. Kuratuhu. His ball. Kuratuhu. And this is just a ha at the end there. Kuratuhu. That's it. Remember, this is the dhamma. It signifies the u. Kuratuhu. If you wanted to say her ball, kuratuha. Kuratuha. And these are both ha. This is a ha and this is a ha. By itself, it's just a circle. It looks like that. So because this ha has an aleph after it, you write it like this, kind of like an 8. Well, it looks exactly like an 8. So yeah. Also, we have كرتهم, their ball. كرتهم, كرتهم. And now for our ball, كرتنا, كرتنا. Kaf, ra, ta, nun, alif. كرتنا. And let's say you want it to be like belonging to a certain person. Like, then you would say كرة, and then say the guy's name is Muhammad. كرة Muhammad. And remember, you would have to say that the ta marbuta. Whenever it's belonging to a person, you pronounce this as a T. كرة Muhammad. كرة Muhammad. This is mim, ha, mim, del. كرة Muhammad. And so that went through all the personal pronouns, or the possessive pronouns, I mean. So let's review. The ya is for, so this is my book, كتابي. كرتي, my ball. كتابك is your book, for masculine. كتابك, your book, feminine. كتابكم, your book, plural. كرته, his ball. كرته. كرتها, her ball. كرتهم, their ball. كرتنا, our ball. And كرة Muhammad, Muhammad's ball. And that's pretty much all for this lesson.